Good morning everyone, my name is Nate and I'm the Earth House Captain. Welcome back to another LPS Assembly. I will now read out the Acknowledgement of Country. We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognise their continuing connection to the land, waters and culture. We pay our respects to the elders past, present and emerging. Here is Ralph.
NAIDOC Week recognizes the First Nations people. NAIDOC stands for National Aborigines and Islander Day Observance Committee. We pay our respects to the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders. NAIDOC 2020 encourages all Australians to commemorate and embrace the first people of Australia. Australia always was and always will be theirs. Thanks for listening, everyone.
Thanks, Ralph. Good job. It is now time for the national anthem. Please remove your hats, and stand quietly with your hands behind your back. Please sing along in a nice, strong voice and do not sit down until asked to do so. Thank you everyone. Please sit down quietly. Here is Phoenix.
Hello, my name is Phoenix and I'm the Air House Captain. Good morning everyone. Here are this week's Common Awards winners for those students who have displayed our Lyndhurst Primary School values.
Good morning everyone. Here's this week's Cormorants Award. So in Prep we have Acom in Prep A, Shiara in Prep B, Raiden in Prep E, Dwitty in Prep F and Jada in Prep G. Well done Preps. In Grade 1 we have Nina in 1A, Subhav and Ashton in 1B. Well done Grade 1s. Grade 2 we have Alia in 2A, Ikem in 2B, Jaden in 2C, Olivia in 2D and Neil in 2F. Well done Grade 2s. Grade 3 we have Zayn in 3B, Araf in 3D. Well done Grade 3s. Grade 4 we have Sohail in 4C, Ezekiel in 4D and Krish in 4E. Well done Grade 4s. Aryan in 5A, Ryan in 5C, Naz in 5D and Visoth in 5E. So well done Grade 5s. And Grade 6 we have Samir in 6A, Ralph in 6B, Sophia in 6C. Well done everyone. And here are the feather awards. Who are the lucky people who get to have morning tea with Mr. Lacey? Our first award goes to Kaylin Bell McCasey in 2C for sharing and being kind. Well done, Kaylin. You get a lunch order. Then we have Shimon in 2B for a great week at school. Well done. We have Aidan Bailey Craig. Well done, Aidan, for being so kind to a prep student when she was crying. And I was there when you were helping that child. And that was really, really kind. Well done. And lastly, we have Isaac in 6D for beautiful manners always. He definitely does. Well done, children. And you can have lovely morning tea with Mr. Lacey.
Well done to all of our award winners. Here is Mrs. Rowell.
Hi everyone, Mrs. Rowell here. I've got some certificates to present to some wonderful children who competed in the Maths Olympiad remotely. They did a fantastic job. They were part of a separate Google Classroom and they worked really, really hard with me during that time. So I'm going to read out a list of names for the students who will receive a certificate for this. And then after I have read that, I will go through some special awards where they receive a medal. Okay, so the first certificate is to Shannon Gamage in grade 4, Anirudh Mysore, grade 4, Ojas Thodathil, grade 4, Manali Darji, grade 6, Yashik Kakar, grade 6, Kaylin Vieira in grade 6, Smriti in grade 6, Yonal in grade 5, Anmol Singh, grade 6, Aryan Bawa, grade 5, Mathuki in grade 5, Razana Derm in grade 6, Phoenix in grade 6, Manana Rora, grade 5, Sarah Beltran, grade 4, Mahi Gami, grade 5, Tasim Muhammad, grade 4, Patrick Robinson, grade 4, Baksh Singh, grade 5, Tanvir Gala, grade 6, Ayan Sheikh, grade 5, Shriram, grade 4, Kirat Dodi, grade 5, Nazia, grade 4. And now on to some special awards. So I have this fabulous medal here, which we will be presenting to the top 3 students who achieved the top 3 results for the Olympiad. And then also I have 2 more medals that are going to those that showed the most commitment to the Olympiad. They were at every Zoom session and completed all the work on Google Classroom. So in first place, a big congratulations to Shannon Gamage in grade 4. Second place, Anirudh Mysore, who's in grade 5. And third place was Ojas Thodathil, who's in grade 4. Now my special mention and special medals go to 2 fabulous grade 5 students whose commitment to their studies was amazing. So congratulations to Yonal and Mathuki, both in grade 5. I will get those medals and certificates to your teachers.
Teachers and students, please.
Thanks, Mrs. Rowell, and congratulations to all Maths Olympiad winners. You should be very proud of your efforts. Here is Edia.
Hello, my name is Edia, and I am the Airhouse Captain. Good morning, everyone. Here's Mrs. Hill to present this week's Principal's Report.
Welcome back, everyone. Oh my goodness, it's so lovely to see you all. There's such a happy buzz about the place, and it's so lovely to hear the noise of you all smiling and having fun outside. We were getting used to being really quiet here, so we're really happy to see you back, and we're so proud of all of the work that you've been doing. So well done. Just a few little reminders this week. Just to let you know that on Monday the 16th of November, it's our cultural dress-up day. So you get a chance to dress up in all of your beautiful cultural clothes and something really special to come to school, and it'll be such a beautiful day. I'm really looking forward to it. One note that I might have to say, which isn't quite so positive, is just about your behaviour in the toilets. We're finding a little bit of tissue paper and things like that around the toilets, and a few people are being a little bit mischievous, so we might need to stop that and remember our manners when we're back at school, some of the old rules that you might have forgotten, because as the children were talking about the Lyndhurst values, we just might need to remind you what those values are. So the first one, optimism. So make sure you have faith in your achievements and be optimistic that things will work out okay for you. Respect others and especially yourself. Remember to respect yourself. So others means the beautiful surroundings we have in Lyndhurst, the toilets, the gardens, really looking after our beautiful property, please. Integrity is to do the right thing. So do the right thing for yourself and your friends. If you see something in the yard that doesn't sit right with you, please go and talk to somebody about it, or tell somebody if you think that things aren't doing the way they should be doing out there. But keep up the beautiful behaviour, because you're all being amazing. Responsibility is that you will get yourself where you want to be. Just be responsible and you'll get there. And lastly, empathy. So just try and see things through the eyes of others and make sure that you're always kind. And from what I see, you're always following our beautiful Lyndhurst values. So keep it up, everyone. Thank you. See you soon.
Thank you, Mrs. Hill. Well, that concludes our assembly for today. Please enjoy your week and try your best to display the Lyndhurst values. Please stay seated and follow your teacher's directions. Thanks for tuning in to another assembly, everyone.
Bye!